UKRI has always funded interdisciplinary research. We fund it through our strategic and our challenge-led schemes, and we also have a number of council-specific responsive mode schemes that are perfectly able to cope with interdisciplinary projects. What can be challenging, and where the cross-council responsive mode scheme comes in, is where you have a great idea for a project, but you don't really see which council you should approach for funding for that project. And we want you to be able to describe that project as you see it, rather than trying to force it into the box of a particular council scheme. This was genuinely a known unknown for us. We didn't really know the level of demand that was out there for this kind of work. And what we're really keen to see is for researchers to apply for exciting, new research projects that just wouldn't emerge through established disciplinary thinking. That's the real aim for this. So what we did was go out to the community and ask people to join an interdisciplinary assessment college. We had a fantastic response to that. We got over 1,000 applications, from which we selected 300 members. And within that, we were really keen to make sure that we had as wide a spectrum from across the research community, including research professionals, as well as academics working in this space. And what we require them to do when they're reviewing the application is to review the application as a whole, rather than just focusing on the area where they might have specific disciplinary expertise. Everyone who joined the Interdisciplinary Assessment College, we provided training to them because we felt it was really important. They understood what it was we were trying to get from the scheme and how we wanted their assessments to work. There's a really famous quote from the philosopher Karl Popper about the fact that we are students of problems, not students of subjects. And I'd extend that and say we're students of problems and not disciplines. And many of the most pressing problems that face us as a society require the perspective of different disciplines. And that's why interdisciplinary research is so important.